Hi, I am Dr. Sheila Sapp of Sheila E. Cares Educational Consulting and Services. I am so glad that you joined me today. And if this is your first time watching me, I am a former school administrator, a classroom teacher, and I am also an author, a mentor, a coach, and a speaker, and I have my own consulting business. And today I want to share with you one of my quick tips. And this one is working with a clothes hanger. Now, I know many of you have these at home. And what you will need, of course, is a clothes hanger, a 10-inch envelope, and a 6-inch envelope, a marker or crayon, and some scotch tape. And the first thing that I did was with my marker, I wrote on the front of the 10-inch envelope, I can, and I drew a line. And then with the 6-inch envelope, I just taped it on next to the 10-inch envelope, and on index cards, I wrote some sight words. And what you will do is add the sight words that your child may be studying. Okay? So, and then you take the sight words and you put them inside the 6-inch envelope, and you direct your child to select the word, say it, and then read, I can, and add the sight word. Now, I hope this gives you some other ideas in addition to this one. So I call this the sight word review hanger. And as you can see, it's real simple and it's easy to do, very cost effective, because you know I'm all about not spending a lot of money. So I would go to Dollar Tree or Dollar General and maybe even Walmart to get the envelopes. So if you want to find out some other quick tips, because I have some more using the hanger, you need to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, Sheila E. Cares. Bye.